Land ho! Cabin boy, bring me my map!
Captain, look what I found in Davy Jones's locker.
This isn't the map. This is the skeleton from the end of the skit. I said my map.
Oh, yes. I found this piece of paper following clues that Davy Jones left in all of his monkey song.
Bring me my captain's jacket.
Oh. Hey, Captain. Do I get a jacket?
No, your benefits don't kick in for 90 days.
Oh.
To the horses!
89 days to go. Oh, she'd be wild, Captain. I think it'd just be a few bit more cubits.
The Caribbean has the sketchiest abandoned alleyways. Arr.
Avast! There she be, Captain. What is this?
Arr.
Numbers?
I wish I could think of something else to say, but arr!
Well, what is that?
I don't know. That wasn't there before.
Well, I guess I just get in me waiting pose.